Alright, this is an example of a real multimeter. A multimeter can be used to measure voltage, it can be used to measure resistance, it can be used to measure current. Now we will be looking at how to use this to measure resistance of a resistor. First of all, if you want to measure the resistance, make the connection. So the red probe, this is a probe, these are probes. So the red probe is connected over here, and the black probe is connected to the COM port or the ground. Alright, and if you have to measure resistance, so this knob has to be changed to this part. And obviously you can see this will measure resistance, and the range is in mega ohm. Alright, we can change the range if you want. We can make it ohm, kilo ohm, 10 kilo ohm, 100 kilo ohm, mega ohm, 10 mega ohm. Now we'll use the multimeter to measure the resistance of a resistor that we have here. So I have placed the resistor on the breadboard, and for your convenience I have shown the color strips there on the resistor. So it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 color band. So I start from left to right. It's a red, so red is 2, black is 0, black is 0, brown is 1, 0, and brown, which is for tolerance, is plus minus 1%. So in other words, this should be a 2 kilo ohm nominal value with a tolerance of plus minus 1%. Let us measure it. So measuring it, we'll put the two probes on the two legs or two terminals of the resistor, and it shows that it is 1.99 kilo ohm. Alright, if you change the range, this is a hundreds of kilo ohm range. So it is approximating it and is giving you 2 kilo ohm. I go back to the range that I was set in, which is in tens of kilo ohm. So the resistor value is 1.99 kilo ohm. Let us check if the actual or the practical value of the resistor is within the range specified by the manufacturer. So it's 2 kilo ohm plus minus 1%, so that means the resistor should be in between 2 kilo ohm minus 1% of 2 kilo ohm till 2 kilo ohm plus 1% of 2 kilo ohm. Definitely the resistor value is in this range. So this is what the manufacturer means by 1% tolerance.